So that's what happens when I decide to sleep with some fucking random field.
Fucking squid.
Some private property, I don't fucking care. They got no signs or fences.
You know what they have that?
There was a coyote.
They don't have that we do? Fucking squid pieces.
Squid pieces from the Dollar Tree for $1.
Woo!
Look how good that is. Has like solid dip. I thought it was gonna be so fishy. It's not.
Fucking eating you. I don't care.
Drop it in the dirt.
Yeah.
Who gives a shit? We already have sand in our teeth.
It's all crunchy. I don't care. It's so good.
How do you explain the bones making sounds?
Okay. Finish that. Like one more.
Needs to be clean.
Damn.
Hey, eat your nigari noodles or something.
You're a girl now. Thank you. Oh, I like how you brush
How's it?
I like it.
It tastes like chicken, right?
Yeah, because of sauce.
I'll help you. No.
When I'm eating this, I don't put the chopsticks in my mouth, so it's just like serving. He needs to eat his breakfast.
Garrett!
Here it's breakfast. I missed. Eat your fucking breakfast.
Damn breakfast.
Eat your noodles. We're not leaving until we eat our breakfast.
You got it.
Look at our high quality 5-star meal.
The sardines cost me $1. This cost me $1. We got nothing but sardines. Want some other sardines?
I don't know.
Want more squid?
You have more squid?
There's a shit ton of squid right here.
I thought you had
Stay in the
like
bag,
another
man.
box.
We'll carve more of a pack.
One more, dude. We should take the other sardines, just mix it. Put some of the sauce.
Don't worry, you got a scooter.
Why do you want some more?
Well, I never knew it was green. Did you know
I kind of wanted to go. I mean, all you.
Yeah, I realized when I put a flashlight on it, I was like, "What? It's green."
Green. I thought it was purple.
Your mom's green.
That's really green, dude. That's way too obvious. Like, hey, that's mine. So it's not. Hey, that's my scooter.
So we went to the park. I don't. Where did we find that at?
One of the parks, like the first one we went to.
So this Razor scooters, okay? They were.
Did you see that? Dude, that's freaking sick, man.
They were a reason why they're $100. You could use them to climb over fences. Dude, you. So funny.
You can travel across the country. This thing. Do that. You can be Forrest Gump. Travel across the country. And then you go Tony Hawk.
Okay, so there's like farming fence that we had to go over because we took the wrong path, and so we just folded it up.
This story like 7.
Too bad. We folded it up and we just pushed it down on the fence, and we got over. Like schools that have like a little gate with like a push button, but you can't put your hand through the gate because they have like a grid.
It shouldn't.
And you just throw it over it and just like hit it with a handle. Opens up.
It shouldn't be fucking cold.
Used as a weapon.
It's like one of the rare days, and it's all like it's bullshit. It has to get cold.
California.
This was the second coolest day of the week.
Yeah, yesterday was the other coolest.
Even the wind is. Are we gonna take the picture now? I'm gonna take the picture. Take the picture, damn it.
Go back to sleep.
You got that wheelie. Oh, you know what we could do, Steven?
What could we
What?
do, Steven? Freaking chips.
Oh my god, we totally dipped the chips in this.
Okay.
Breakfast time is back on. Hold on, guys.
Yeah. I'm trying to take a picture before the sun rises.
Nope, we gotta eat our fucking squid pieces with